Hey, what's up my good people? It's your Kenyan village boy here, Nzioka, and in today's video, just like the topic, we're going to be cooking some South African food. So from the post that I posted on Instagram and here on YouTube, I asked you 4 kind of foods that I can try cooking from South Africa, and most of you voted number 1 is pap, that is looks like ugali but is soft, and then mala, which is like chicken intestine, then mautwana, that is chicken legs or chicken feet. So I'm going to be making that today, and I'm going to use a secret recipe that I learned from my friend of mine from Botswana, not even from South Africa. So stay tuned, all South Africans, you can learn something new from this video. So stay tuned, and we're going to start by cleaning the intestines because they are so dirty. I bought them from the streets because I couldn't find anywhere that I can buy this chicken intestines. So stay tuned, learn something. Just a disclaimer is that this video has been shot in different days and in different places. The reason is because this video, when I shot it for the first time, I lost the footage, and then I stayed for like a week, and then today I'm shooting this video again. So I'm connecting it from different places because I have moved from the place that I was staying before. So hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me on the comment section what you think, because today we are trying some South African food, pap and mautwana, that is chicken intestines or mala. So tell me in the comment section what you think about this video, and let me see you up to the end. Please make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and watch up to the end. So from this side we have the chicken intestines, we have the chicken legs, the mautwana, then we have the sifted maize meal, we have this is parsley, we have black pepper, we have oregano, we have soy sauce, we have our onion, we have vinegar, we have salt, and we have tomato paste. And that's what we're going to be using for today. Then we're going to put it on fire and let it boil. So for this water, we're going to use it to clean up the chicken legs, because you see they have like this dirty skin on top. So we're going to use the boiled water to clean them up. I'm going to put it on number 3, which is medium, because mine goes up to 6. So I'm going to put it to 3, let it boil for a while as we continue cleaning up. All right, I'm going to be making my noodles. I'm going to put my noodles here. This is all together. I usually use microwave to do this because that's enough. And then we're going to put it in the microwave. I'll let it put 30 seconds, or just so we'll let that one cook, and we'll continue cleaning up the chicken intestines. So I'm alone on this one, so that's why I'm having the camera everywhere. So you'll bear with me because I have to vlog, I have the camera, I have the cooking, so you'll bear with me. Yeah, so we'll have that one cook, and then we'll have that one boil, and then we'll continue cleaning up. And so for the cleaning, you just need to press them up just like this. Pour the dirty water with a clean one. It doesn't need to be so complicated. So my mara is clean. I'm gonna be now chopping the onions and everything. So I'm gonna throw this away. This is dirty. So yeah. Last put, just drink it up.
346 minutes later.
So this is what we have, guys. Look at this. This looks so good. I'm so excited. This pulp is so soft, and these small intestines, they are just the best. So let's just dig into it and try what we have right here. Remember, this is homemade, and this is made right from Kenya, and I'm trying it as a South African cuisine. That pulp is so soft. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so soft. Then you get some intestines. Oh my gosh. That is really good. Wow. Wow. This reminds me of South Africa. Please, someone get me back to South Africa. It's not hot. No more spice. No many spices. One thing I love with South African pulp is very soft. Very soft and very nice. And even the way of cooking is very different. It is so good. The tenderness of that meat, of those intestines, chicken intestines, is so good. Look at that, guys. Okay. Let me dig into it, and I'll see when I'm done. All right. Cheers to all my South Africans. Somebody get me to South Africa, man. Look at that. That was good. So good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate so much, and thank you so much for those who voted that I should eat this, I should cook and even eat this food. So I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and tell me in the comment section which other food or which other South African food do you think I should try cooking and even eating and trying it here on this channel. Even if it's from your country, tell me in the comment section and I'll try as much as possible to cook it and even try it on this channel. For now, let me see you on the next one. Goodbye.